In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create letterhead design in Canva. By the end, you'll have a professional letterhead that looks great on screen and prints cleanly. Let's get started. First, open Canva and search for letterhead in the search bar, or choose Create a Design if you prefer to browse. You'll see a large library of templates designed for standard sizes like US letter and A4, which helps ensure your layout fits common printers. Pick a style that's close to your brand's look, so you spend less time editing. Click Customize this template to open it. Replace any placeholder logo by uploading your own file. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background usually gives the cleanest result. Drag it into place and resize it so it's visible but not overpowering. Next, update the text fields to include your company name, address, phone number, and email. Aim for a clear hierarchy. Make the company name the most prominent, with the contact details smaller and neatly aligned. Keep spacing consistent and leave some breathing room at the top and bottom so the page doesn't feel crowded. Now align everything with your brand. Change fonts to match your identity ideally. One headline font and one body font to keep things cohesive. Adjust colors using your brand palette, so titles, lines, or accents reflect your style. You can move or remove elements you don't need. Add simple shapes or dividers to structure the header and footer. And even add a subtle watermark by lowering the transparency of your logo. Keep the watermark light enough that text remains easy to read once printed. Double-check your contact information and make sure it's in a readable size and weight. If you use icons for phone or email, keep them small and consistent, so they support the text rather than compete with it. Avoid including personal or sensitive details, only what's needed for professional communication. Before you export, zoom in to check alignment, spacing, and typos. Make sure nothing important sits too close to the edges, as home and office printers can vary slightly. When you are happy, download your letterhead in a high-quality format. Choose PDF print for the best results, especially if you plan to send it to a professional printer. If your printer requests bleed or crop marks, enable those options. Save a copy as a reusable template in Canva so you can quickly update details in the future. That's it. Thanks for watching.